got this used Fancybikething tail tidy. Now it's not really used. It is used, but it's not used. I'll explain. See the box? A little bit battered from being in transit. These normally sell on the website, as you can see, for £299 plus shipping. But if you decide you want this, you're going to have to be quick, because probably by the time you click on the link, wherever it is on here or down below, or however you get to the page to actually buy this, it's probably sold. So when you open the box, you're going to see it's got a hole. Looks like it's been nibbled by a rat or something. It hasn't. It's just where the customer has repacked it, sent it back, and with the way he's repacked it, he hasn't put it in properly, and the metalwork for the tail tidy on the inside has just worn away at this at the protective cover. So as you take the top off, obviously I've repacked it properly. What you get inside here is actually not a second-hand light. It's actually a brand spanking new light. So this is not the light the customer had. That light's been sold on and used already by a customer who's looking for a deal. And I said, look, I've got a used one here, just the light. You can have it for X amount. So you get a brand new light in this kit. So that's not even second-hand. Has never been used. But I want to show you here the tail tidy, the actual tail tray itself. It's not in perfect condition. Obviously it's painted. You might find the odd mark. You can see a little mark at the top on the paintwork where the customer's screwed it onto his bike. Where else have we got any marks? That's the only mark I can find. A few little scuffs on the actual base of the plate, but it's not perfect, but it's still in cracking condition. The license plate holder, excuse me, you can see where he's put screws into it already. You've got a few scuffs on the back of it there, which you won't see when it's all on, and you can see there's a bit of paint missing around the holes at the top there as well. So you can see it's being used. The license plate downlighter has been unpacked, and so it's not nicely tied up anymore, but it's brand new and still works. Obviously you get a new bag of bolts in there, because the person who returned it didn't put all the bolts back in the box, so you've got a brand new bag of bolts in there. And the optional turn signal bracket is also in here, and you can see there's a few marks on there where it's been fitted and the paint's been scratched away by the bolts. Don't worry, just because it's scratched, it's not going to rust. All these metal items are bright zinc plated, so that will stop the metalwork from rusting if the paint comes off. And that's it. Obviously, so you've still got this used packaging as well. So if you want to take advantage of this, you're going to save yourself £100. Get on the website now and buy it, and I'll ship this straight out to you. Good luck.